The line starts here.
Let's see. Let's work. Okay. So, well, what's interesting is we have crossed very difficult years, not for, so relative difficulty. Okay. Hello, yeah. The global economic problems have been bad. Hopefully it's over. Yeah, it looks like it's over. And things are looking better. So yeah, I guess next year and years after that is going to be better, and maybe we'll have a band.
Wow! Rubber band.
Rubber band. Rubber band.
Two-year band.
Guys,
2-year band.
2-year band. So, guys, the line starts here.